Well, hello everybody. We're back with some random exploiter again. Whoa. Okay. As you can see, this guy has no chill at all. Like, seriously. Oh my god. Holy crap. And he manages to fumble, of course. What is he trying to do, man? Who is it, bro, trying to impress? Seriously, man. Get a life. Alright, if you're curious, this is this dude Junior. This dude. Yeah. I'm gonna get 5 minutes of recording footage of this dude because this is just insane. But what was this guest trying to do? Okay, hello everybody. Today we'll be documenting wild animals. This one is called the Akuzidan OO. A very rare species indeed. He also speaks in a weird language. I wonder what that is. Wait, did he get targeted, or did he just like leave? Holy crap, bro. Chill, bro. Chill. I'm not gonna lie, but you are chopped. Whoa. Help me. I require assistance. Oh, that was nasty, bro. Shoot, he left. I'm guessing, so now I'm guessing you got banned, right? And the footage just got to 5 minutes, so that's actually perfect. Alright,